Have you ever dreamed of quitting your 9-to-5 job and retiring early in America? Today, we're breaking down how to achieve financial independence in just 10 years. The FIRE movement is growing fast across the US. People are saving aggressively and investing smartly to escape the rat race forever. In 10 years, you can build enough passive income to live without a paycheck. It sounds impossible, but with the right plan, it's very achievable. Step 1. Calculate your FIRE number. Most Americans need 25 times their annual expenses saved. If you spend $40,000 a year, you need about $1 million invested. That's the magic number for safe 4% withdrawal. Step 2. Boost your savings rate to 50 to 70%. Cut unnecessary spending and live below your means. Max out your 401k, Roth IRA, and HSA. These accounts grow tax-free or tax-deferred. Invest in low-cost S&P 500 index funds. Historically, they return about 10% per year. Compound interest is your best friend. In 10 years, it does the heavy lifting for you. Many Americans have reached FIRE in 10 years by following this exact formula. You can too. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Keep your expenses low even when your income rises. Side hustles and extra income can dramatically speed up your FIRE journey. Track every dollar. Use budgeting apps and review your spending monthly. Stay consistent for 10 years and the math will work in your favor. Remember, financial freedom is possible for regular Americans like you and me. Start today. Every dollar you save and invest brings you closer to early retirement. The freedom to travel, spend time with family, or pursue your passions is worth the sacrifice now. You don't need to be rich to retire early. You just need a plan and discipline. 10 years from now, you could be living life on your own terms. The choice is yours. Start your FIRE journey today and thank yourself later. Cut your biggest expenses first: housing, transportation, and food. Increase your income with side hustles or career growth. Automate your investments so you never forget to save. Review your progress every year and adjust your plan. Stay healthy and enjoy the journey. FIRE is about more than just money. 10 years is shorter than you think when you stay consistent. You deserve financial freedom. Start building it today. The earlier you start, the easier it becomes. FIRE is not about being cheap. It's about being smart with your money. Your future retired self is waiting. Make today count. Keep learning and keep investing. Knowledge compounds just like your money. Celebrate small wins along the way to stay motivated. 10 years of discipline can give you a lifetime of freedom. You've got this. Start your FIRE plan right now. Financial independence is closer than you think. Save more, invest more, and watch your money work for you. The American dream of early retirement is still alive. Take the first step today and never look back. Your future self will thank you for the discipline you show now. FIRE in 10 years is possible. Believe it and build it. Keep your expenses low and your investments high. Compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. You control your financial future. Start controlling it today. 10 years of smart choices can change your life forever. Retire early and live the life you truly want. The FIRE path is open to anyone willing to follow it. Save, invest, repeat. That's the simple formula. Your 10-year FIRE plan starts with one decision today. Don't wait for the perfect time. The best time is now. Build your freedom one paycheck at a time. Early retirement is not a dream. It's a plan. Follow the steps and you'll be free sooner than you think. Your money can work harder than you do. 10 years of focused effort can give you a lifetime of options. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your freedom grow. The American dream of early retirement is still very much alive. Take action now and design the life you really want. FIRE is waiting for you. Go get it. Thank you for watching. Start your 10-year plan today. Remember, your future freedom starts with today's choices. Save aggressively, invest wisely, and retire early. The 10-year FIRE plan works if you work the plan. Your money, your rules, your freedom. Start now and retire on your terms. FIRE is for everyone who wants it badly enough. 10 years from today, you could be free. Make the decision and take the first step. Your early retirement story starts today. Save, invest, repeat. Freedom is closer than you think. You have everything you need to succeed. 10 years from now, you'll look back and be proud. Start your FIRE journey right now. Freedom is built one smart choice at a time. You deserve this life. Go create it. The 10-year plan works when you work it. Retire early and live fully. Your future is in your hands. Start saving, start investing, start living free. 10 years can change everything. Your early retirement story begins right now.